Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. We're here for you. Subscribe, and we're going to continue bringing content for you that makes sense and that's delivered to you daily. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Subscribe now.
Matthew Simmons from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square, letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day.
Keep it with us on Facebook as well and other social media platforms. Subscribe and hit the bell.
Welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. And I hate that I have been away from you guys for a while. I've been doing a lot of back-end business stuff with my taxes. Yes, another year in the books. So got that behind me. Now I'm ready to get back in front of the camera and do some producing for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe. I'm thankful for the 448 subscribers that we have thus far. Thank you guys for the support. It's really encouraging. Trying to create more content more consistently, and it is a job. But I'm going to get it out there to you guys. Right now we have a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado, and it's the K-Series 4x4. And what we're going after is the rear main seal, the valve cover gasket. So the transmission has to come out to get to the rear main seal. So this is going to be a how to remove the transmission out of a four-wheel drive Silverado 2005 model. Let's get to it. Hey, in the market for new or used tires? Hey, and even wheels? Check out Ortiz Tires, located at 116 South Brightleaf Boulevard, Smithfield, North Carolina. 919-938-8095. Contact them today. Gonna start by draining the oil. Oil looks really good. Like it was just recently replaced. All right, our focus now is on the drive shaft. Look at the universal joints right here. One strap's removed, which are these items here, tucked in by 11mm bolts right here. Just knock around, make sure you keep up with them. Clean them up before you reinstall them. But with the universal joint right here, the U-joint, what you want to do is, once you remove it, you would try to be gentle as possible. Not to drop the needle bearings. A lot of time with age, it's sort of, when they get hung up in here, you want to use something to assist in breaking it loose. And what we're going to use here is Trick Shot. And what this does, this is actually non-flammable. It's 100% biodegradable. And we're going to use it to ease the release of the U-joint. I love how this stuff looks. I mean, it looks like honey. Well, the WD-40 sort of looks like water. I mean, if I was a piece of metal, I would prefer something that looked like honey. That's just me being funny about it. Once that's done, take this out of the back of the transmission. Let's place bets. $5 says it doesn't leak. Give me my $5. Subscribe now. I mean, what I like about this is I don't even have to actually use the straw. I mean, this thing is like the precision with this nozzle. I don't know how it's gonna operate once it get low, but this is awesome. I mean, I've never used a can of spray where it was almost like using a precision rifle. And then, unlike the other lubricants, it doesn't drip. I noticed that it's not actually dripping. Trick Shot does the trick.